Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful schematic diagram and PCB layout using KiCAD. Alright, so KiCAD. So the good thing here in KiCAD is it's absolutely 100% free. Alright, so unlike other softwares like Altium, yes, for some period of time they will allow you to make use of their software for trial. Okay, after you have evaluated it for certain periods of time, they will request you to buy to keep on using it, and that costs around 355 pesos. So it translates to, can be converted to no, $355. Okay, it can be converted to pesos like 11,000 pesos, and I'd rather buy a cell phone for 11,000 rather than spending it for Altium. Okay, so that means, and I don't have it at the very moment, so I do not I didn't opted to use Altium. So instead, I look for softwares, and I found KiCAD. So I'm going to put the links of how you can get your own KiCAD in the description box below. So be sure to check it out, guys. Alright, so it's free, so kind of check it out. So, or you can type it right now, like KiCAD. Okay, so you install it. It's already there's also a version in GitHub. Okay, so you can visit GitHub and type KiCAD, and then it will give you the zip file. You just have to unzip and install. Okay, so the installer is around 1 gig, or the file is around 1 gig, and yeah, it's as you can see, this is what it offers. Okay, so you can create your schematic diagram using schematic editor, symbol editor. This is for global. I mean, if you want to contribute, okay, like this particular IC has this part, so you can edit it. And the PCB editor, edit the project PCB design, which is so good. And then you can export and order the PCB from JLC PCB China. Alright, then after a week it will be delivered next to your door. So there's a great convenience. Okay, and then the footprint editor is, when we say the footprint, it's how it looks like, how the hole should be drilled in the PCB. That's footprint. Okay, so, and the footprint editor can be easily done if you have the scanned picture of the layout. Using image converter, you can drag an image from the net and then to this file, and then it will convert the schematic or whatever to the schematics or the PCB. So that's how convenient it is. Okay, so let's try. I've opened a file, and I'm creating my car. So this is actually a better version of the PCB for the relays. Okay, as a substitute for L297N, which I made a video of. So right now, yes, I can make the PCB, but I want to order from China instead, so that it's in a package. Okay, so that's what I want. So clean, and yeah, so why not be globally competitive? All right, so yeah, when you open it, you can create a new project. Just click the file. So it's just like Microsoft editing a document. It's as simple as that. The only difference is that you must know the parts that you're going to put into. Okay, so you save that. Then you see here, this is how you add the parts. Click this icon over here, and wait for a while because I'm running my OBS and it's lagging. Oh, now responding, huh? Okay, there you go. Yeah, NPN relay. Yeah, relay. Okay. So you type the part that you want. So I want a relay. Okay. What is that? Recently used. RF sensor. Okay. Didn't push through? Okay. Recently used. I don't have something that I've used. Anyways, let's just find the part that we want. There you go. Double click that one. Then this one. So yeah, I just didn't double click. So don't panic. So there are a bunch of relays here. And you can see that this is the diagram, and then this is the footprint. Okay, so you can customize your footprint. I'm gonna show you that later on, and I can say it's easy. Okay, so it's much better if you have the footprint already, because when you export this to your PCB, it will you just need to place the or arrange the parts. Okay, so it has a footprint. This one has a footprint. Two has a footprint. Okay. Yeah, so what do we want? Relay again, relay. We choose the part that fits. Choose the part that you need, because there are configuration. So many relays, huh? Do I need this one? I need a pipe pen, but the pipe pen is not here. Let's try this one. No. I just need a pipe pen. Depends on the availability. So if there's none, then I'm gonna stick with this. Okay, and then click this one, and then you can place it anywhere you want. Why not? So let's put it on top. Okay, and click again to select the next part. Okay, so let's select the next part. So the next is the NPN transistor. So you type NPN here, and it will give you your transistor. Okay, so the problem with this one is it doesn't have a footprint. So yeah, so we connect it here in series. So if you want, you can put a resistor, maybe some ohms, to prevent the transistor from getting burned. Okay, because it's in series, and whatever current goes in will be the amount of current that will flow from the collector to base to emitter. Okay, and we don't want that. Make sure that you're going to choose an NPN transistor that can carry the current. Okay, because if not, you're going to let's say spend a lot of money repeating the process again, because the transistor cannot handle the current. Okay, so let's just make sure to choose the transistor that fits. Okay, so this is 5 volts relay, so I think this transistor can handle this. So 547, I'm going to use DC 547 for my transistor. So you can also name it. You can change the properties, the label, yeah, here, Q1 preference. So you can change this one and say DC 547. And then click OK. And then you see that the name changed already. So yes, that's it. And then the problem is with the footprint, so we're going to assign a footprint, and I will show you some ways on how to do that. You can go here, assign footprint. Okay, click this one, assign footprint. So let's just wait. Ayo. So loading footprint libraries. Yeah. Okay. What is that? I think I saw an error. Oh no. Yeah, right. Okay, here we go. So this is another window, I guess you can call it a window. Okay, and then create a new empty footprint. So you have options, but I'm going to create a new footprint using footprint wizard. So it's a wizard, so it's a magic, and then you just type the things that you need. So you just click the wizard, and you just have to click that OK. Alright, so there's a wizard. Okay, it creates an arc. Okay, so you can change the radius of that. Mini, it's like 2 mm. Why not? So yeah, then you can change the name, demo blah blah. So that's it. That's how you do the footprint. Now you can save that here. Okay, but let's just close this one. I do not want that. I need something like where I can put my IC. So yeah, so you can footprint wizard. So deep, so that means it's getting sticked in. Flat, no lead, flat package. This one single inline deep blah blah. So there we go. And then I only need 3. Okay, so 3 pins for the transistor. Okay, and since it's an odd number, it cannot be divided perfectly by 2, so that's the row count. And there's only 1, of course, then it will show up. Okay, so this is SIP-3, then ref, okay, whatsoever. Then you can change the spacing if you want to. 7.5 mm row spacing. Girl size is set at 8 mm. So yeah, pad inches, that's the whole yeah. So you can, this is big. Okay, so 7 mm row spacing. I think I can do it with 0.1. Let's try 0.1. And drill size is this one. 0.8. No, let's not say 1. Okay. So that's how we do it. And then you can go ahead and save. Okay, what to do next? It's no, I close it. No, wait lang. So now you want to save this, so you click this one. So export footprint to the editor. So you will see, and then you have to save this. So zip 5. So this is your design. I think you can save this inside your personal, okay, personal folder wherein you can save your design. Okay, so click save. So you can name it SIP5 or whatever name it is, and then click yeah. So SIP5, try whatever name, and then put it in the library that you want. So the library is just a folder, so I created this one, add footprint. So maybe I will be needing the SIP5 sooner or later, so I click save. Okay, so it's been saved. Okay, it's been saved. So that's how you do the footprint in any case. It's just holes. Okay, it will give you the it will give you what you need. Okay, so that's how easy it is to do the footprints with KiCAD. Alright, so yeah, the footprint problem is solved. Okay, you can now close this, and then we'll now assign the footprint. So click this part right here. What is that? So yeah. Okay. Yeah, click this one now here, and assign this one. So we will use a specific footprint for that, the footprint that we have created earlier. Okay, so these are the libraries. Okay, so there's so many. So this is my library, and it's a 3-pin, so we'll use add footprint SIP3 as I've mentioned. Okay, we use this one. Okay, and then when it shows up, you can click apply, save, continue, and okay. Okay, next thing is we want to export this in a PCB. Okay, so you go to tools and update PCB from schematics. So when you click that, there will be a wizard that will pop up. Oh, so long. There we go. Yeah. You can also check. Okay, so it says there's no error. So we are successful in uploading it. So you just have to click update the PCB, and there's no error still. So you can close that one, and now you can click it here, and we'll zoom in, and you will see that you have now your relay and the transistor. Okay, so this is where you place the NPN, and this is the relay. So they are side by side, so you can just click one, place them to the right, your desired position, and that's it. So that's how we use KiCAD in order to create this PCB design. So I'm still working on this project. Okay, so what is that? So that's it for today, guys. So I hope I am able to help you with the footprint problem and with your schematic and PCB problems. Okay, now I'm signing off. Bye bye.